Thank you so much for making a house call. Mr. Muffintop has been having trouble jumping, and you were the only cat physical therapist I could find online.
Well, we will get Mr. Muffintop jumping before you know it. Mr. Top, it is a pleasure to make your acquaintance.
It's Muffin Top, hyphenated.
Ah, Mr. Muffintop, it is a pleasure to make your acquaintance. Ah, yes. Oh, I can see that he is going to need extensive physical therapy. Mr. Muffintop, I'm going to need you to bicycle your legs for 20 minutes, 7 times a day. Follow that with 30 reps of jump squats and 10 minutes of tippy-toe exercises. Mr. Muffintop, are you listening? You may never jump again. He's ignoring me. Mr. Muffintop, get off of your lazy arse and do your bicycles. Muffin, you wanker! Do your bloody squats!
Is that really necessary?
Squat! Squat! You whore! You pathetic excuse for a creature!
Okay, and I don't think he understands what you're saying.
I'm the physical therapist in the room! Muffin, you cunt! Do your bloody toe exercises!
Okay, I think you should leave. He doesn't understand what
No,
you're saying.
I'm the physical therapist! I'm the cat whisperer!
Oh, I'm sorry, Muffin.
Merci, je n'ai absolument rien compris de ce qu'elle a dit.
I know. I tried to tell her that you speak French.